I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning. Let us draw the ray diagrams for concave lens. It's a principal axis. Then let it be optic center P. So let us draw a concave lens. Let it be a concave lens. We have three rules. Number one, any ray passing parallel to the principal axis, any ray passing parallel to the principal axis will refract such that it has been originated from this focus. From this point focus, this ray parallel to the principal axis, after passing through the concave lens, refracts in such a way that it appears to be coming from the focus. So initially it was parallel to the principal axis. Later it appears to be coming from this focus. Then second, suppose, so at the same distance you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Somewhere here you have the focus on the other side. This is focus on the other side. If a ray is incident such that it is trying to enter into the focus. So this is a ray and it is in such a way that it is trying to enter into the focus. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 2. Second ray, here this ray which is trying to enter into the focus, becomes parallel to the principal axis after passing through the concave lens. Then number 3, a ray that passes through the optic center is undeviated. It moves along the same path. This is third ray. Let me repeat. Case 1. The ray is initially parallel to the principal axis. After passing through the lens, it appears to be coming from this focus. So this dotted line indicates appears to be. This is imagination. This is the ray. This ray is refracted and became like this. If you extend back, you find that this ray is appears to be coming from this point that is called as focus. Then second, this ray is incident such that it is trying to enter into the focus. This is represented by dotted line. It actually not entering into the focus. It appears to be entering into the focus, but just after crossing this lens, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. The third one, the ray which tries to pass through the optic center is undeviated. There is no bending, there is no deviation at all. It passes straight in the same path. So these are the three rules related to a concave lens. For concave lens, we have fixed ray diagram. One ray diagram is enough for concave lens. If you take object at infinity distance, or beyond C, or at C, or between F and C, wherever you take the object, you will get the image as erect, virtual, and diminished. Let us draw one diagram, and that is suitable for all the cases. Okay. Here we have one concave lens. Okay. Suppose 1, 2, 3. This is a focus, and double of that is C. This is a focus, and double of that is C. Suppose this is a biconcave lens, equal on both sides. Now, I am selecting one object somewhere here beyond C. Suppose this is the object. Select two rays. One ray I am selecting as parallel to the principal axis. Suppose this is one ray. I am selecting one more ray such as it is passing through the optic center. So this ray which tries to pass through the optic center is undeviated. So this is second ray, this is first ray. So this second ray is because it is passing through optic center, it is undeviated. Now this first ray is parallel to the principal axis. Now it refracts such that it has been originated from the focus. So this ray, this will be the ray, first ray. So when the ray passes through, is parallel to the principal axis, after passing through the concave lens, it refracts such that it appears to be coming from this focus. Now, these two rays, number 1 and number 2, these two rays are intersecting here because it is a dotted line. Dotted line is assumption. So this is image. This is object to OJ, and here you got image IG. So here image is number 1 erect, number 2 virtual, number 3 diminished. It is erect. This object arrow is headed up, so this image is also, its head is in the upward direction. So upside up, that is called as erect. Then because these lines are intersecting, when you extend this rays back, in such case this is said to be a virtual image. If the two rays really meet, that is real image. If the two rays appears to be meeting, when you extend the rays in the backward direction, like this ray is extended in the backward direction, here they appears to be meeting. So in such case, the image is virtual. Diminished, compared to the object size, this image size is small, so it is diminished. So similarly, you can draw the diagram for object at C, object between F and C. So for all the cases, you will get same type of diagram. Each time you will find a very small image here formed due to these dotted lines. So each time it will be erect, it will be virtual, and it will be diminished. Unlike convex lens, in case of convex lens, we have 5-6 different cases. But here in concave lens, we have only one case, and that is suitable for all the cases. Okay, right.